I do love walking around Polynesian. Just very comfy. Oh, it's warm right now.
Oh, she's gonna try this one now. Woo! How was that one? So awesome. You gonna try again? Okay, walk though, please don't run.
Nice mellow day at the pool. It's a great pool too. I love it. We have mommy coming down. Or Mina. One of the two. Here comes mommy. Oh. Good job, kiddo. So guys, how did we like it? That was good.
Tell Daddy on camera. Did you like it?
You have fun? No, you didn't. He's like, I'm smiling ear to ear, but I didn't have any fun.
You liked it. You loved it.
You loved it. How about you, Mina?
Mina, you had a great time, huh? That was great.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we got to swim in the morning. That was way better than the crowd.
Yeah, this worked.
Night, huh?
This all worked out.
Yeah, I really did.
Yeah.
There's my baby.
Okay.
Little swim baby.
Well, let's get dressed and
Shall we
get some food.
Breakfast? I'm
Yeah.
hungry. Are you?
Okay.
That was fun to be the first
Bye-bye,
people.
Polynesian pool.
Bye, Polynesian pool. It was great.
Bye-bye.
This right here is my dream day. So now they've decided they're best buddies and they want to ride together. All right. Aww. We're insisting on riding together, and since there's partitions, we have the baby seat, the car seat between us. And they are ready. They're ready to do this without mom and dad right next to them.
All transports hold for security clearance. Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen him?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
I got it. I got it.
I like this one.
I like that one a lot, yes.
They actually have it in my size.
Do you accept credit reducers here? Yes. Okay. You have your annual pass. Well, hold on. We are they navy blue? These bags?
Yeah, they are.
Do you want one? Because we have one from Galaxy's Edge West, and it's black.
These, I think, are slightly blue.
Do you want a small one, maybe?
Yeah, I think I would like it.
Love it. Love the blue glow from the. Well, I think he's business savvy.
Expect Honda adds all this extra hardware at the last minute and expects everything to sync up perfectly? It's ridiculous.
Hello. Okay. That was quick.
We gotta go in 30 seconds.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor.
Marauder. We are not too bad as a family.
This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee season.
Good job, guys. Two things at Quaxium. We actually fly pretty well as a family.
Yeah.
That's good.
We're professionals.
Here they are coming out of Smuggler's Run. This one, this.
Excellent. Keep them in line. This outpost has enough troublemakers.
This one, yep. This is definitely it.
Don't worry. Unless you know something about the resistance.
Whenever you feel like whining about wearing a mask, think about these guys and ladies.
Thought so.
I don't hear them whining.
Spot a troublemaker.
This is how the Droid Depot works. They have the parts that come out, and you fill your bin with all the parts that you need. You go over to one of these stations, and you assemble it. And there's all these pieces of droids up here. Oh, there's a K2SO unit. Yeah, they're pretty dangerous. Lots of great merch. Oh, and of course, R2 and a BB-8 unit in the back there. That's great stuff in general. Delicious.
All right.
We have our round cokes,
And it's
also
funny.
known as the thermal detonators.
So it's funny because like inside they actually have like a standard lid.
This tastes so much better than Earth Coke. or Earth Diet Coke.
You do.
This is Batu Diet Coke. And we're not being paid at all.
No.
If they want to, feel free.
It was a much busier day today.
Yeah. That's
Starting to settle down now because it did rain and that helps to always clear people out. But man, today much busier than the days we'd had.
I'm just gonna get you.
I do wish that there were more dining options.
Go, go, go. That's really fast.
Doing Slinky again because Woody wants to take a stuffy on the ride. That's like his dream. His life's ambition is to take a stuffy on ride. So we're gonna make it happen. I hope we don't lose it. We look like toys. We're like toys. He's a toy holding a toy. Wow, how self-referential. Okay, he's very excited. Okay.
Last train. It's us in the front. Oh yeah. This is how let's finish it. Rock and roller coaster for the win.
Okay, we are leaving Hollywood Studios. This is the last night of the trip. And we finally got our gimbal working. It's not cooperating. And had some really fun, memorable 2 final rides on Rock and Roller Coaster. And we got in like the final moment. We were the second to last family. There was one family that squeezed in after us. But anyway, it's been a really, really fun trip. Super unique and weird trip, but also super memorable. We're always gonna remember this because it was so weird. So now I'm gonna just turn the camera around and I'm gonna give you really quiet Hollywood Studios. Really miss the parks at night. Since them reopening, they haven't been, staying really open once it's gotten dark. Thank you very much. It's been fun. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Have a great night, guys.
Thank you.
Love the shirt.
Straw.
This is our last night.
Oh, it is our last night. These are so much better than they used to be. It was a big construction mess for a while, but now they are much improved. So we are vlogging
Fake grass.
from the fake grass at the Polynesian. And what's your favorite resort?
Fake rock.
What's your favorite resort, Woody?
Resort is where space is where we are.
Polynesian? I don't know. There's so many. I have so many favorites, and I love them all for different things. It's really hard to pick.
I love the fire.
Yeah, the torches and the fire. It's really beautiful. Let's see.
And I like the lights.
It's beautiful here.
I
I like it in the dark because it's so colorful and golden.
It's pretty. Well, it's about 7:10 in the morning. Got a monorail coming into Polynesian. We are getting ready to head to the airport. We originally were supposed to have a morning where we could visit a theme park, but then we ended up, they canceled that flight and we had to take an earlier flight, so here we are. This might be our shuttle. Goodbye, Disney. Found something. Very happy to be on this flight. Look at that thing. He's matching. Look at you. Looking for more Disney, music, DVC, or family fun? Click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching!